Hey pen pals, for today's quick tip we are going to eyedropper a fountain pen, and I have all of our materials out in front of us that we need. We have the Moonman M2, we have an eyedropper, we have ink, which this is the Diamine Shimmer ink, this is Dragon's Blood, and we have a little tub of silicone grease. 100% pure silicone grease is what you would want to use for this. And we have a little bit of paper towel just to mitigate any possible messes. Of course, we're playing with ink, so just gotta be sure that you're careful. So first step is first, we would remove the cap. You're going to remove the section, and of course the section is going to be a little bit on the resistant side because it has an O-ring on the section. Definitely want to make sure that that is still retained on there. We have our barrel, that's where we're going to drop the ink into, and with any of the shimmer inks, what you want to do is you want to make sure that it's shaken up really nicely. So you see all the gold flecks at the bottom. We're going to shake this guy up, make sure that the gold flakes are distributed throughout the entire bottle here. Open it up. I'm going to take our dropper and our barrel. What we're going to do is we're going to press on the bulb here, draw it up, and then deposit it just very slowly because we don't want to create ourselves a mess. And these Moonmen, the M2s, take about 2.5 milliliters worth of ink, so may require a few fillings of this eyedropper. And the max that we would suggest is up to that red ring that's there. You go too much, and then you're going to have an inky mess. Alright, so that's about good. The rest in there. Although that the Moonman already has an O-ring that helps keep this pen sealed and prevents leaking, what we're also going to do too, I could have done this before I filled up the barrel of course, is to coat the section threads in just a very, very little tiny bit of silicone grease. I'm just taking it with my index finger, I'm just rubbing it around the threads here. You know, careful not to get it inside because we don't want it interacting with the ink. So then what we're going to take is we're going to put this and we're going to screw this into the section into the barrel. Give it a nice tight closure here, and there we go. And what you would then do is, since there's no ink that's drawn up through the nib, it's going to take a while to kind of like let it just kind of saturate that feed, so you might want to just put the cap back on it and then just let it chill out for a little bit and you should be good to go. So that is how to eyedropper a fountain pen. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you.